If you need to split first and last name in Zapier, this tutorial is going to save you a ton of time. Instead of manually cleaning up names in a spreadsheet or copying data field by field, you can use Zapier's formatter tool to automatically separate a full name into individual parts. That means less busy work, fewer mistakes, and a much smoother workflow across your automations. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Zapier tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, go to Zapier and sign into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, click on Create to start building a new automation. From there, choose Zap Workflows. This is where you'll build the automation that takes your full name and splits it into separate fields. Next, click the plus icon to add a new step. This is where we'll insert the tool that does the actual text processing. In the app searches, select Formatter. Zapier Formatter is one of the most useful tools inside Zapier because it lets you format text, numbers, dates, and more without needing any extra software. After selecting Formatter, click on Choose an Event, then pick Text. This tells Zapier that you want to work with text-based data, which is exactly what a full name is. Once that's selected, click Continue. Now you'll be taken to the setup screen. Here, click on Choose Value. This is where you'll map in the full name from your trigger step. In other words, you want Zapier to grab the name exactly as it comes in from your form, app, CRM, or whatever tool is starting the Zap. Select or map the full name data variable from your trigger step. This is an important part because Zapier needs the full name in one single field before it can split it apart. If your trigger already contains names like John Smith or Sarah Johnson, that's the value you want to use here. Next, look for the separator option. Type a space as the separator, or if Zapier requires it in that field, enter space. This tells Zapier where one part of the name ends and the next part begins. Since first and last names are usually separated by a space, this is the most common setup. Then go to Segment Index and choose All as separate fields. This is the key step. By selecting all separate fields, Zapier will split the full name into distinct output values instead of keeping everything in one string. That means you can use one output for the first name and another output for the last name in later steps of your Zap. Once that's done, your split text action is ready. From here, you can continue building your automation by adding the trigger and action steps you need. You might send the first name into an email tool, save the last name into a CRM, or use both fields in a form, spreadsheet, or notification system. The best part is that once this is set up, Zapier does the work automatically every single time. If you want to test it, run a sample through the Zap and make sure the output splits correctly. If the name has a middle name or extra spaces, double check your data formatting so the results look the way you expect. And if you're working with inconsistent name formats, you may want to clean the data first before splitting it. And that's it. You now know how to split first and last name in Zapier using Formatter and split text. This is a simple automation, but it can make a huge difference if you handle lots of contact data. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step automation tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.